Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today is your birthday. And happy Monday. I actually almost said good morning at the beginning of this just because that's what I always say because I always start the vlog in the morning. But today we are actually not, so really I should say good evening everyone, even though it'll probably be morning for you when I upload this, so whatever. But it is evening here for me because I thought it would be fun today just to like spend a little time at night together, because I feel like usually I'm working all day and like filming some stuff there, and then by the time it gets to night I'm just, you know, tired and chilling. So I just thought it would be a sort of fun switch up to hang out together a little bit tonight instead. Molly Cat is doing such cute shit right now. Oh my god. Of course she moved a little when I got up, but she had her head tucked in here. So cute. Oh my gosh, are you loving that sunshine? The sun comes in here so nice in the evening. Molly Cat and I love it, right? By the way, it has been so fun watching our neighbor's garden. I hope this isn't like intrusive, but I just love their garden. So many little critters live in here too. There's a hummingbird that actually lives in this garden and comes and sits on this twig right there. Every single day I see that. By the way, this is not the neighbor's house. That's like their back guest house. I'm obviously not going to show what the front of their house looks like on here. But so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's honestly one of my favorite parts about the office, just sitting here and getting to watch out the window, see sort of what the weather's like. It is so windy today. We've been having so many windy days. Oh my gosh, Molly is so cute. But it really is sort of like fun to have a garden to look out at because of all the animals that like come and live in there. Like I said, there's always that same hummingbird that comes and sits on that branch every single day. Comes and sits on that branch. You'll see like animals fully playing with each other, squirrels chasing each other, birds chasing each other around and just like playing. It's so cute. It's so fun. But yeah, it is actually 5 p.m. on the dot right now. I'm just exporting tomorrow's video. It's Tuesday, so I'm getting Wednesday's video ready. And I just spent all day today cleaning out my closet, which is why I'm dressed in the same thing that I was wearing in the last video that you guys saw on my channel, the closet clean out, because that's what I just finished doing. It was a lot of work, but very, very glad to have that done. We have 4 full trash bags here of stuff that we are getting rid of. I think I forgot to say this in the video, actually. I meant to say it at the end, but we got rid of more than 65 items from my closet. That's ridiculous. Totally ridiculous, but very satisfying as well. One of the bigger closet cleanouts that I've done in my time. And there is really not a whole lot planned for tonight. It's going to be a very chill vlog, so I want you guys to use this since it's going up on a Monday as a way to just like decompress, disconnect a little bit from whatever's going on in your life. If you're having a stressful day, just let it go a little. Come with me to just chill and take care of ourselves and have like a very nice, relaxing evening. Connor's out tonight at a work event, so we won't be seeing him until probably later tonight. So I think a good place to sort of get our night started off here would be to take her makeup off. Also, it's like an hour later now. I remembered that I had a TikTok that I wanted to film today while I had makeup on, so I did that quickly and took a small bit of time, but we got it done, so feeling good about that. I've been trying to post more on my TikTok, so go follow me over there if you're interested. I'm sort of doing a mix of things. There's gonna be like some clothing, fashion stuff, makeup stuff, curly hair stuff, book stuff. That's the deal, and I would love if you guys would follow me over there. So after we sort of get our makeup off here, I was thinking that we could make a snack and then maybe read for a little while before we make dinner. I'm pretty hungry, honestly, but it's too early, I think, for dinner. Although I don't even know what we have for a snack. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I also was going to tan today, but I just decided, F it, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I just don't feel like it, you know? But I want to tan before Thursday because I have a work event that I'm going to. So I sort of just want to look a little better, and I think I look a little better when I got a little color on the skin. Not that I mind my fair skin, but you guys know I've just been going through a tanning phase. Okay, that's a makeup off. Let's get some serum. This is the Joanna Vargas Daily Serum. Really nothing new entering, new, did you hear that? New. Nothing new entering the routine right now. Mostly just the stuff we've been using. I have been pretty dehydrated lately. I have not been drinking enough water, so my skin has really been feeling that. Like today when I put makeup on, it was looking like so crazy and dry even after moisturizer and skincare and stuff, because I have not been taking care of it the way that I need to. I think we're also gonna try to get some water down tonight. Okay, serums. And now moisturizer. Getting this lid off with my nails is such a challenge. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Moisture Cushion Moisturizer. I'm actually gonna do a second coat of that just because I think I could use it. Speaking of, Molly is doing so many cute things right now. Oh my gosh. KJ Cat. Hi. Good girl. Mama's going out in the living room. You wanna come with me? Yeah, come with me. I think our chill night here also calls for a nice comfy sweatshirt, and I'm feeling the Disney sweatshirt, you guys, so shall we do it? Comfy. Now let's go see what kind of snack we can find. So we honestly don't have much as far as snacks go, which is a bummer. We have like some popcorn and stuff, which like I'm definitely feeling for later tonight, but I just want something small to hold me over for like an hour and a half here, you know? So I don't want to go too hard. But I do have crackers, unfortunately not the fig and olive crackers, but we threw out the box for these crackers, so we've just been keeping them in here. So I have some crackers and I have some mascarpone, as well as some everything but the bagel dip. So I'm feeling like this is just gonna be the move. Just for something small. Let's go snack, shall we? Oh, can I carry all of these? This is why I could never work in the food industry. I'm excited for this. And I think I'm just gonna read for a little while here too. I am still reading Reminders of Him. Oh my gosh, this book, I don't know. First of all last month I really did not read because it was just so busy. It was such a crazy month. And I don't know, I just like haven't been reaching for it. I've been like very into just like scrolling on my phone, which is terrible. But I've definitely been doing a lot of doom scrolling in the time that I used to use for reading. So we are readjusting that definitely today. And we are going to spend, like I said, like an hour and a half here reading for a little while. It says that I have 2.5 hours left in the book. So if I spend an hour and a half right now, I only have an hour left, which honestly, maybe I could do tonight and I could just knock this whole thing out. We will see how it goes. It's truly one of my favorite features of the Kindle, that it tells you like how much more time you have left in a chapter, in a book. It just sort of helps me to know what I'm getting into. Like, is it gonna be a really long chapter that's gonna take me 30 minutes to get through? Because if so, I maybe don't want to start that at 11 p.m. But if it's an 8-minute chapter like this one, not a big deal. And that's my spiel. Let's try our little snack here though. I've only really ever put like mascarpone on a sandwich, so I'm intrigued to see what this experience will be like. It's okay. It's just not super flavorful. Like, I wish it was saltier. I mean, I love it on sandwiches and like, it's delicious, don't get me wrong. I'm not loving it so much as a dip, but this everything but the bagel will definitely hit the spot. You know what we have to do before we get into reading though? We need water. Wasn't I just saying this, you guys? I need to fill up my water. Let's go. Ow. Ugh. Have those mini chicken wontons in there from Trader Joe's. Maybe I could do something with that for dinner. I don't know, not super inspired. We'll figure out something though. I have decided that pasta is officially on the menu tonight. It sounds very good. I was gonna use this Banza pasta. There's not a lot left, like definitely less than half a box, and I feel like that might not be enough. Let me see. What else do I have? Yeah, like I was thinking maybe I could combine the penne and this cascatelli pasta, but they need different cook times. Unless I just time it up. But are we up for a risk? I sort of am. I think we're gonna go for it. F it. This is like so bad. You're definitely not supposed to mix pasta types, but I have a little bit left of both and it just feels right. I'm gonna put the cascatelli in first. honestly, there might be enough there, especially if I want to have a snack later. But no, you know, I definitely am gonna want to like eat. I like to slow eat, so I sort of like to have bigger portions that I can eat throughout the night, and it actually helps me like not snack, although I am craving popcorn, so TBD on that. But in theory, it does help me not snack. So I'm gonna set a kitchen timer for 2 minutes, and then we'll drop the penne, and we're just gonna see how that goes. I'm thinking about doing some sort of just cheesy garlic sauce that I'll just like make quickly. Time to make like what will hopefully be a super quick and easy yummy meal. We're going to start with some butter. Oh wow, we have like none left. Okay. Oh, this stove takes forever to light, and when it does, it like, does anyone know why that happens? Is that dangerous? Do I need to like do something to fix that? Let me know. So pasta's cooking up okay over here. We're not like in too much of an issue yet. We can just throw what little butter we have in there. And we're gonna do some oil too, especially because we wanna compensate. I'm using this really good olive oil. So just get some of that in there. And we're gonna do some garlic. Obviously, what would a dish be without some garlic? And a lot of it, because this is mostly gonna be just like a garlicky sauce. We can't skimp on the garlic. I'm just keeping this like pretty slow and low because I don't want the garlic to burn, obviously, but I do want it to start to brown. We still have 4 minutes left on the pasta, although we can probably pull it like a minute early to help, because it'll just cook a little bit more in this pot. And then we're just gonna see what else we throw in there. I have a little bit of milk, maybe, to make it creamy, but TBD on that. Definitely some red pepper flakes can go in like a minute. Oh, I'm having such a good night though. Loved reading my book. That was very nice. We'll have to find something good to watch on TV. But yeah, very much enjoying just this nice like chill moment here at home. I wonder what Connor's up to. I think he's at dinner now with the team. He was like taking out a team from work for dinner tonight after an event that they were doing. Come together. Okay, and our pasta. It's pasta time. So I'm just gonna use like this big thing and pick it straight out of the pot here and into our mixture. And I'm gonna steal a little bit of this pasta water there. Okay. Give her a mix in here. This could totally be like a one pot meal as well if you just want to wait for the pasta to be done and then like make the sauce in the pot and add the pasta back in. Totally doable. Just saving time by using two. Very unlike me. I do anything to avoid extra dishes. Just some Parmesan going in there because we definitely want this to be cheesy. And I think that we are like pretty much done with this at this point. I'm gonna try this pasta and then I'm gonna make it nice and cozy in here, but I have to try a bite of this. I can't wait any longer. Absolutely delicious. Creamy, spicy, garlicky, sort of perfection. If you know, you know. When I lived alone, we would always do cozy mode at night where we'd light all the candles, the ambiance going. And I still just love to do that when I have solo nights at home because it just feels so good. All right, tonight's viewing pleasure. We're going for the next episode of Selling Sunset. I have so many thoughts about this season, but we're just getting through it, you know? It's one of those shows. Check out this cat just straight chillin'. She looks so cute in purple. It's so funny how it looks that way. Molly, you gonna do a tumble? Thank you, just what we wanted to see. Sorry for my annoying cat mom voice, but when you got a face like that, it's gotta be done. You're so cute. You can tell my love language is words of affirmation because I tell Molly Cat that she's a good girl and that I love her. I don't know, like an unlimited times per day, like 100, maybe more. But I just do. I love her and she is a good girl. Actually, she's sort of a bad girl, but I don't care because I love her anyway. So I'm gonna tell her she's good. Anyway, there is my cat mom rant. Well, I ended up just spending the whole evening binging the rest of Selling Sunset. And I have to tell you guys, like, obviously the main storyline this season is Jason and Chrishell's relationship. And I sort of thought it was all BS, and maybe I'm an idiot, totally possible. But man, the reunion just makes it seem so real. I'm just like, I'm sort of, I don't know, man. It's so crazy. I don't know. I'm easily fooled and also like down to just buy into stuff like this because that's sort of what makes it fun, is buying in. Selling Sunset complete. Honestly, I liked this season a lot better than the last season, so there you go. Lots of twists and turns. Comment down below if you have watched this season, and also maybe to like let me know what you think of Jason and Chrishell. No spoilers though. That way no one gets it ruined in the comments or anything. I think next up on the agenda here, it's like, let's see. Yeah, 10:40 p.m. So like very much my bedtime. So I think the time has come to do the dishes. Fun stuff. But I just want to get that over with and off my plate. Making the migration into bed, and look at who's already all cozy in here. Huh? Yeah, it's bedtime. Pajamas on, teeth brushed. I'm here with my girl. Connor said that he's on his way home, so look at her. She wants nothing to do with me. Literally physically turned away from me. Come on, lighten up a little. Why did she always get like this at bedtime? Remember she was doing this a couple vlogs ago? Oh, it's so cute. I think it's time to read some more of my book. My lofty goal of maybe finishing my book tonight is definitely not going to happen because I'm tired. I do not have much reading in me, I don't think, for this evening. But I'm very glad that I got like a solid hour-ish of reading in earlier today. And didn't end up having my popcorn snack, which honestly would have been delicious, but I'm so full. That pasta was so so filling and so good. Oh my gosh. And now bed. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed just sort of chilling with me tonight. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you to relax and decompress a little and just chill out, because that was sort of the goal. And that's all I have for you. So I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your Monday, and I'll see you in my next video.